Good afternoon and welcome to the 5th annual CFO Leadership Conclave.
One strength per round. And at the end of the round, I'm going to hit a doorbell and you're going to hear ba 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 ba, you know. And so that's the signal to change. Instead of me going, okay, everybody move around. 30 seconds, sounds like we've reached a natural end to this.
Well, I think the question today is not whether Indian politics is ready for growth, but whether growth is ready for politics.
Any guesses on why those companies failed? They didn't have good CFOs.
Growth opportunities, inorganic growth opportunities, but here is CFO who will be working as what you call an alarm raiser or a reed raiser. He will support. He will be real business partner in taking risk, in supporting the CEO. But his role also is to raise red alarm or red alert, and that's all.
Let me describe to you how the environment changed and how we started getting away from the firefighting and the narrow sectoral fixes. So the Ketan Parekh scandal worked its way in 2000 and 2001. By 2002, 2003, that was digested. And all credit to Jaswant Singh as finance minister. He started pushing people saying, what's your big picture? Show me how in 25 years, in 40 years, you will match the United Kingdom.
I've seen that work well. We don't want to be seen as the people who always say the no, because that's the constant complaint that comes for all CFOs. So you hear the no word from the CFOs more. You want to give that, but also to be able to work around it. That's a personal experience. I just thought I'd share that.
Technology is no longer an enabler of business. It has become the business itself. Retail, e-commerce, banking, at the top of it, but soon a lot of things are going and be led by technology. Technology in e-commerce business, apart from the warehousing, technology is the business itself.
Mangalamurtiyai Ullamaheshane Mangalamurtiyai Ullamaheshane Mangalamurtiyai Ullamaheshane Mangalamurtiyai Ullamaheshane.
And if India is to be taken seriously as a foreign policy actor, it has to get back to high growth. Otherwise, frankly, there's no game in town.
Before that, you used to order, aircrafts were never meant to be ordered like you order, ration. You order, so first order was 100 planes. Everyone kind of shook. 100 planes? Where will they fly? I asked my boss, where will we fly? We have a friend here from the airports, I think, who said, at that time, I asked my boss one question, sir, आप बात कर रहे हैं plane उड़ाने की, दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पे parking नहीं है.
So you'll get a little chit, and the chit basically tells you which table to go to. So the first, it says round 1, and that's the first table you have to go to.